Go sushi.
That's a pretty funny video. But anyway, what we're doing? Alright. Let me check the time. 2 a.m. Nice. Now, in the previous video, we implemented our two shotguns into our project. We got the shot 2 here. Actually, hold on. I think I'm hungry. Hold on. Let me get a snack. I'm back with some nuts. A little snack. So, what was I saying? Right, the rifles. Now, in this video, I'm gonna implement my 4 rifle objects, sprites, into my project. So we got right here pistol shot, shotty 1, shotty shot 1, shotty shot 2. Now we're gonna add 4 new sections to this. We're gonna add 4 new sections to this allow shooting function. But now there is a tiny subtle detail. So, with both our pistol and our shotguns, all we need to do is press our mouse button once. So we press it, we shoot. We press it, we shoot. But with our 4 rifles, we want a different logic. Since most rifles are automatic, they fire automatically. We want that same logic here. So for that, instead of get key down, we will write get key, which returns true while. Yeah. Notice how it says while. In get key down, it says returns true during the frame. The user starts pressing down, and in get key returns true while the user holds down. So that's what we want. Get key code mouse. Should we make? Yeah, mouse 0. For now, let's keep it simple. Although all of our 4 rifles are gonna be automatic, rifle 1 is gonna have the fastest fire rates, but lowest damage per shot. On the other hand, rifle 4 is gonna be the slowest, but more hard hitting. So going to our scripts. Pilot board, rifle 1, fire rate. We said rifle 1 is the fastest, right? Yeah. I think that's nice. So rifle 1 is gonna be really fast. I like it. Now we need to implement these in here as well. Oh boy, this is gonna take a while. Cool. Now. And rifle. Okay, if we're gonna copy this. Rifle 1. Then 2, 3, 4. Rifle 2 fire rates. Rifle 2. Rifle 3 fire rates. Rifle 3. Rifle 4 fire rates and rifle 4. Yeah. What? Okay, I guess. So rifle shot 1. Rifle shot 2. And then we have 3. And finally we have 4. Let's start with our rifle 1. So we're gonna go here, other sprite order. Instead of shotgun 2, we're gonna put rifle 1 in it. There we go. Then going here, voids rifle shot 1. Shot 1. Oh shit. Damn. That's so fast. I don't want it to be that fast. God damn. Huh. How about we start with 0.1? Let's see how that looks. No. Is this even working? you mean rifle? Oh, the tag, right. I'll do that later. For now, pew, pew, pew. Yeah, that can work, I guess. That can work. And then we're gonna slowly increase it from 0.1. So for example, this can have 0.13, 0.16, 0. And you can just make this 0.2. Now we need to make the same thing. We need to create a new function for our rifle shot 2, rifle shot 3 and 4. So I'm gonna do that off camera. The only difference we're gonna have is the tag and setting the fire rate. So I'll do that real quick. Right. Rifle 2, 3. Oh. Good. Now let's try these. So our rifle 2, rifle 1 speed is this. Rifle 1, where the fuck? Oh, you mean the tag. You mean the tag, right? Fuck off. Yeah, I'll do that later. So this is this. Then let's change it. Rifle 2. Now how is this gonna look? There is a subtle difference, a little difference. Now let's try rifle 3. Rifle 4, sorry. Yeah, you can see that it's a little bit slower. This is more slower. Let's go back to rifle 1. Yeah, you can see the speed difference, the fire rate difference. As I said, our rifle 1 is gonna be the fastest hitting but the weakest, while rifle 4 is gonna be slower but harder hitting. Now all we need to do is add these tags and then we're done. Huh, I think that's it. Is that really it? Do I need to do anything else? I thought it will be more complicated. The video is just 15 minutes. I mean, we did a lot of copying and pasting, so that may be it. So our rifles are implemented into the game now. What else? I think nothing. Anyway, in the next video, we're gonna implement our light machine guns, 2 light machine guns into our project, and then our topic about our weapons are gonna be finished. Then we're gonna move on to our enemy behavior, implementing our enemy objects, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, that's it for this video. Goodbye.